right, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you, thank you. As y'all guys can see, today we're at Rogers, and his tractor's still down. Yeah, it's a bad time to buy something, and it's also a bad time to work on something. Can't find parts, and but that's fine. We're taking care of his beans and stuff. Beautiful little crop of beans right there. If we can keep the deer out of them, he'll be right. I planted some the other day. Y'all, by the time you see this, y'all have seen that video, and I still hadn't bought an electric fence as of today. I need to do something. I thought about just relying on the Lord to help me keep them out, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm in the air about what I'm gonna do on that. I really don't know. But so we're rolling the cultivators again. We're gonna put some fertilizer out today. We got Rogers beans. He's got some ornamental corn, some incredible to cultivate, some of it which has never been cultivated, and one little patch has been cultivated before. I think we'll make a little more speed today because it does have a little leg on it. We got to I got to run over my Hastings and Silver Queen again, and we also haven't cultivated the Hastings deer corn patch, so we got to get that. I was thinking I know what I was going to do. As I was coming up the road, I was thinking, I'd been asked several times about these plows. I do switch off the sweeps eventually. Most of the time it's on the last time I plow, or maybe the second to the last time I plow. I like those, couple reasons. They dig a tremendous trench out of that fur. They do a good job about keeping it loose. And one big thing, and you just have to have used them a lot to know this, they create a trough where the front wheels, I don't know if you guys noticed, maybe somebody said it the other day. He asked me in the comments, how much do I spend looking down versus up? And I can about set that tractor steering wheel on cruise control when I'm running these right here, because those front wheels are going to be in that ditch, and I can feel it in the steering wheel if they're trying to ride out of it. So it's basically kind of two things: my cruise control, and I like the way they dig up the dirt. But if it's a field that I'm going to walk in quite a bit, like a corn patch, a bean patch, pretty much all of it, I guess, I'm going to put the sweeps on, and we're going to kind of flatten the bottom out then. That way you're not tripping and falling when you're walking. So, but we got to put the fertilized chain on. And again, I think I told you guys last time I was going to do this. I done wised up and started getting me some gloves. I really had hope this year to plant some sweet potatoes. I wanted to use my tobacco planter. on that, but couple things. I just didn't get the sweet potatoes in time, and I got to do a little work on the tobacco planter to do that. And plus, I'm probably going to need an electric fence. So I kind of wanted to do that. This, guys, I think I've said this before, this is one greasy job. You don't want to go down the road with that thing like that. That chain will be moving as fast as a tractor at that point, maybe faster. But just wait till you get somewhere where you got a nice grass to get on, and make it a whole lot easier. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the old subscribers. I guess thank you for all of them. We are real close right now, as of filming today, to 5,000 subscribers. And I am just truly amazed. And a couple of you NASCAR fans kind of laugh at this. I know you see me comment a lot, and I kind of got the same thought as Richard Petty. Richard Petty would stay at a racetrack hours after the race and sign everybody who wanted an autograph. And I'm not saying I'm going to sign autographs, guys. I'm not saying that. But I just think if you take time to comment on my video, if I can at all cost, I'm going to try to take time to comment back. And that's just me, may be wrong, but I'm going to do the best I can to comment on everything I get a chance to. I've looked at videos that have, 100,000 views, and they don't have, a lot of times they don't have that many comments. I mean, maybe a couple of hundred or so, 250 or something. And honestly, it wouldn't take you that long to do it. But anyway, that's why you see me do it, guys, and I thank you. My wife said one day, she said, they're gonna think you only have one pair of clothes. I do have other clothes. I do like my Wrangler shirt and pants and stuff. And also, just to be totally honest, if I mess up videoing something today and I need to redo it tomorrow, I can. And most of the time it won't be a big of a deal if I wear the same thing. So, but we do wash it and we do wear it, but I like it anyway. I mean, I honestly do. I just always have. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get this thing cranked up, get down here, and we'll look at this corn a little bit. And I got to get some fertilizer in the hopper, and we'll cultivate some corn that hasn't been cultivated before, but does have a little bit of height on it. So hopefully we can cultivate it a little faster. Come on. I just told you guys 5 seconds ago that I thought I could make some more speed. Can't quite make the speed I was thinking. This corn is not quite as tall as I thought it was. As a matter of fact, I was looking over here and there's quite a bit still coming up. I mean, that's not a few days old there. So I'm gonna have to be careful not to cover up any. But we'll cultivate this, show you a little bit of that, show you some on the other end, and we'll be back in a little bit. Jump off real quick and show you something I noticed with this being planted flat. When it rained hard, that water came right down that planter track and just, I mean, it really washed it out in some places back through there. Again, this is nearly flat right here, and then I just noticed where the water had come down through here. That would be a Mr. Crow right there. But it's still got a lot of little corn. Hopefully they'll leave it alone, let it grow. But I just wanted to show you that real quick. So we plowed a little bit in the bigger patch there. What you looking at, Will?
I was looking.
It's working. We plowed a little bit in the bigger patch. We've plowed this one time already, so this will be the second time we've plowed this. What you just seen, we hadn't plowed, and it's, man, I tell you guys, it's a little bit difficult to plow behind something that wasn't planted with a 140 unless you just perfect with it. But it had a lot of places where, like, the cultivators on one side had a mound of dirt, and on the other side there was no dirt. So it's basically cultivating here and doing nothing here, and all while it kind of falls in the center. It just, you know, the reason why I do it the way I do it is because by the time you let a corn plant get up tall enough where it won't cover it up or what have you with those cultivators, I mean, your grass has done took it over. So, but anyway, we'll cultivate this and let Will show you a little bit of that. I want to thank everybody for watching the video. Thank you so much. God bless you. God loves you. And y'all hang in there. Thank you.